Right now, the Tennessee Volunteers are currently ranked in 6th to win the SEC Conference at 10-1. They sit just behind LSU and just in front of Arkansas in those rankings. They're also ranked 2nd in the SEC East behind Georgia Bulldogs at plus 225. Those are some very tempting values, but are they worth it? Now, Joshua Dobbs took over the job of quarterback in the middle of the season last year as a sophomore for the Vols, and he did an excellent job, finishing with 9 touchdowns and 6 interceptions while also adding 469 yards rushing and 8 rushing touchdowns. Dobbs also has some excellent, young, very exciting talent alongside of him as well, especially with Jalen Hurd, who was a freshman last year and gave the SEC something to really think about with 899 rushing yards, 221 receiving yards, and 10 combined touchdowns from the scrimmage. That kind of duo is going to make some noise in the upcoming season. A lot of people are going back and forth about whether to back Tennessee or Arkansas as a dark horse in the SEC this season. What that decision boils down to, in my mind, is schedule. Yes, the Vols have to face teams like Alabama and Georgia, as well as a few top contenders from outside conferences like Oklahoma, but they are playing in the SEC East, which is much easier road than their counterpart Arkansas, who is going to be working the SEC West this season. Tennessee's chances just look better on paper. If you're looking for a sort of dark horse in the SEC, the Vols sit at good value and a lot of potential on that return. This could be the team worth backing.